Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video I'm going to be trying out the bentonite clay. Bentonite clay has a lot and lots of benefits for our natural hair. It helps to draw out the metals and toxins from our natural hair, leaving our hair to be very well cleansed and purified. So now I'm going to start by mixing up the clay. I'm going to pour the bentonite clay. Make sure you do not use a metal spoon or a metal plate for it. Make sure you use a plastic or a wooden spoon or plate. So after pouring the bentonite clay, I'm going to pour my apple cider vinegar and I'll give it a good stir. Afterwards, I'll be applying my black castor oil, which is totally optional. I'm just applying it to make sure that the marks does not dry on my hair. So I'm gonna mix it up properly. So right here, I sectioned my hair into 4 portions so that it will be easier for me to apply the clay. And I detangled my hair. Then I'm gonna spray my hair with lots of water. Like, I'm gonna damp my hair. It's very important you apply the clay with your hair damp. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the clay, and I make sure it touches the root of my hair, that's my scalp. You can see that my coils are actually popping with this clay, like. So I'm gonna go ahead and take another section and pour lots of water and then apply the clay, and that's what I'm gonna keep doing. This bentonite clay is very good for our natural hair, and I intend to start doing it at least once in 2 months. You can see the coil definition is given to my hair. So that's what I ended up doing all over my hair. I made sure I applied enough bentonite clay on my hair. So after applying the bentonite clay, I went ahead and massaged the clay into my scalp properly, and then I went ahead to put on my shower cap and allowed it to sit for about 20 minutes and then washed it out. So this is how it looks after washing it out without any product. You can see that my coil definitions are still there, and my scalp are very clean. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my conditioner. This is totally optional, but I went ahead to apply my conditioner and then put on my shower cap and allowed it to sit for just 5 minutes and then washed it off. And this is how it looks. So guys, you guys can see, I've used the clay. I absolutely love it. Like I said earlier on, I'm definitely going to keep doing this every once in 2 months to give my hair like a therapy, you know, to make sure that my hair stays strong and well moisturized and well cleansed at the same time. So that's what it's gonna be for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and share my video with your friends, and I will see you guys very soon. I love you guys. Bye.